Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show it to you one of the most important Microsoft Word topic, that is track changes. So before going into the track changes feature, so let's understand about why it is important. Okay, for example, you are in a company and your manager told you to write a letter for him. Okay, so you type a letter, for example, this document, okay, something like, and when you hand over to your manager, and your manager when read it and set it some corrections for it. Okay, for example, your manager told you that this should be bold and there is no enough space for this, and change this text as well. Okay, so you again to go to your computer and retype this letter. Okay, so why not Microsoft, you for this you just use this feature of Microsoft. Okay, I will show it to you. Okay, so for example, my inside your Microsoft Word, go to the view review, sorry, and inside the review, this is the track changes. Okay, when I enable track changes, here you can see that its color is changed. Okay, so now if I change this according to my requirement which my manager told me, for example, in this session, okay, I change it to in this letter. Here you can see that when I apply the track changes, enable the track changes, and when I will change, the old one is also inside the document with the dash and the new one is here. Okay, so for example, if I change this and this, for example, I remove this line as well, and this is architecture project, and here I change some more text, for example, delete this one and for this point as well, and uh, this boldness is not, this is should be italic. Okay, something like, and I've whenever I basically change a simple line, for example, if I change this or my okay, so you can also comment it. For example, if I give this letter to my manager, my manager set some correction, so how it set it is, first it enable the track changes, and after it for each individual line it also comment me. For example, inside this new comment, here it shows me that is bold this line or anything. Okay, he can also write this inside the comment section. Okay, so if all this basically editing is set it and this file is sent back to me, inside this one here you can see that all markup is selected. If you go here and show no markup, here you can see that the original form is showing. Okay, if I go here and click on original, it means that original is this one. Okay, so this is the original, and when I said no markup, this is the latest one which I change. Okay, and you can also here all markup, here you can see that all these things are showing. Okay, you can also accept these changes or reject these changes. For example, if I accept changes, accept, okay, for example, all changes, here you can see that all changes are now accepted, which I edited is now final. So this feature help you to basically track the changes. Okay, you just look at this, that what is the original document and what you change it. Okay, so this is the Microsoft feature of track changes. So hope so this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, just go to the video comment section and you can ask your question inside the video comment section, or you can just go to the my website, that is nasirsoft.com. I mentioned the link of question inside the video description link too. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed, have a nice day.